Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a black screen issue in BattleBit Remastered. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to locate your Steam client here, right click on it, go to open file location, and then right click again here and go to properties, go to compatibility, make sure this option is selected, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and make sure select disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, right? Apply OK, and then go to the Steam, go to the BattleBit, right click on it, go to properties, make sure to verify integrity of the game files. Maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, and again you need to go to browse, and here on exe file make sure to go to properties, compatibility, and make sure to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and disable full screen optimizations and run this program administrator, and simply then restart the game, and you need to look if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here is to update your operating system and your GPU drivers. So first of all, go to search, go to check for updates here, and then you need to make sure that when you press the button that there is no updates, and if there is, please download, install them, and restart the computer. Same thing with GPU, depending of course what GPU you're using, NVIDIA or AMD. There's two separate programs for that. I'm using NVIDIA, and there is an app that's called GeForce Experience. So you need to go to here, go to drivers, and then you need to basically wait for a few seconds and then check for updates. And if there is an update for you, please download and install it. I don't know, my program is bugged here, but if there is an update, please download and install it. And after that, then you just need to restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem is fixed or not, right? And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to open up Test Manager and open up your game, BattleBit Remastered. And let's say here, this one is, for example, BattleBit Remastered. So what you need to do here is to right click on it, go to details, and then right click again, set priority, and make it to high. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, if you're using NVIDIA, then you need to go to right click on it, show more option, NVIDIA control panel, and then you need to go to manage 3D settings. Be sure to select BattleBit Remastered here from the list, or add here, and after that, as you can see here, it should be BattleBit Remastered, and then you just need to scroll down until you see VSync, right? Vertical sync. And what you need to do here, make sure to enable this option, right? And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to go to settings, go to gaming, make sure Xbox game bar is disabled, and then make sure the captures also is disabled, and then game mode is on. And then go to accessibility, go to visual effects, and make sure these three options is disabled as well. And that should fix your problem, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.